Hello, my friends. How are you today? I hope you're having a really good day. This is teacher Nada, your teacher for the session, and welcome back. Okay, so our title is Describing the Weather. Okay, that sounds really interesting. All right, so let's just jump into the learning outcomes. Okay, so learning outcomes are the things you're supposed to know by the end of the session, so let me read them for you. So you will be able to, number one, describe different types of weather using appropriate vocabulary. 2. Ask and answer questions about the weather. 3. Use adjectives correctly to talk about the weather. Okay, that's perfect. And yeah, I'll see you in the warm-up activity. Okay, in this activity, we simply have 3 simple questions that we need to answer. So first one, what's the weather like in your country or in your city today? Oh, it's sunny. Okay, that's good. And yeah, is it hot or warm or what? Hot. Okay. Well, then the second question, what's your favorite kind of weather? You like winter and cold. Okay, why? Okay, you love the rain. Okay, that's amazing. Well, question 3, how does the weather change in different seasons? Yes, that is true. Like, for example, in the summer, it could be like hot. In winter, it's really cold and raining. Sometimes it snows. Yes, that's true. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, well, all right. Right now, you just have to go and watch a video for 3 times. And when you come back, we have to answer these questions. But please, before going and watching, I need you to read the questions. Okay. So, yeah, the first question, what's the weather like for Ali? 2, what weather does Sarah like? 3, why doesn't Ali like humid weather? Yes, now please go and watch it for 3 times and I'll wait for you.
Good morning. What's the weather like today?
It's very cold and windy. I think it's going to snow.
Wow, it's warm and sunny here. I love this weather.
I like warm weather too, but I also enjoy snowy days.
Me too, but I don't like humid weather. It feels sticky.
Yes, humid weather makes me feel uncomfortable.
Good morning. What's the weather like today?
It's very cold and windy. I think it's going to snow.
Wow, it's warm and sunny here. I love this weather.
I like warm weather too, but I also enjoy snowy days.
Me too, but I don't like humid weather. It feels sticky.
Yes, humid weather makes me feel uncomfortable.
Good morning. What's the weather like today?
It's very cold and windy. I think it's going to snow.
Wow, it's warm and sunny here. I love this weather.
I like warm weather too, but I also enjoy snowy days.
Me too, but I don't like humid weather. It feels sticky.
Yes, humid weather makes me feel uncomfortable.
Okay, welcome back. So question 1, what's the weather like for Ali? Yeah, it's very cold and windy. Okay, good. Question 2, what weather does Sarah like? Yeah, she loves it when it's warm and sunny. All right, question 3, why doesn't Ali like humid weather? Yes, it makes him feel uncomfortable. Okay, that is amazing. Well, let's just see on the vocabulary part. Okay, so let's learn some words related to our topic, which is weather. So the first one is sunny. 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 Please repeat. Yeah, sunny. Okay, cloudy. 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 Cloudy is like when you have a lot of clouds, cloudy. Rainy. 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 Okay, then we have snowy. 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 After that, we have windy. 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 When there's strong air, strong wind, this is windy. Stormy. 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 Foggy. 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 Okay, so let me ask you, when the weather is foggy, can you see well? Yes, you cannot see clearly when it's foggy. That's true. Freezing. Freezing. Like when it's really cold, so it's freezing. Yes. Humid. 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 Humid means when we have like water vapor in the atmosphere, like we say in Arabic, it's rutuba. You know, it makes you feel uncomfortable. You cannot breathe well. Yeah, it makes it for you difficult to breathe. Yes. Thunder. 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 Okay. Lightning. 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 And of course, we hear the thunder, but we see the lightning. Okay. Then we have drizzle. 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 Drizzle when it rains, like, you know, simple light rain. This is drizzle, yeah? It's not so strong. It's like light rain. Okay, let's have our first practice. So yeah, as you know, we have sentences and words. We just need to match them together. So first one, when there are many clouds in the sky. Yes, cloudy. Good, good. And very small rain. Yes, drizzle. Well, 3, a day with a strong wind and rain. Stormy. Well, when the weather is very cold, yeah, it is freezing. Well, when the air is wet, it makes you feel hot. Humid, thank you. Well, white ice that falls from the sky. Snowy. Well, a bright flash in the sky during a storm. Lightning, okay? A loud noise in a storm. Thunder, good, good. And when you cannot see well because of mist. Yes, exactly. That is foggy. Good job. You're doing amazing. Okay, now I will see you in the phonics part. Okay, so here we have to learn about the TH sound. And of course, you know, the TH could be pronounced as two, either th or the. And in both sounds, the tip of your tongue, this part should come out. So here we have the th sound. For example, thunder, thermometer, thick, thin. Okay, please notice that I'm saying thunder, not thunder. It's thunder. Okay, please try to repeat. Okay, good, good. Now in the reading, we have a small passage that we need to read together, and then we're going to answer a couple of questions. So, yesterday was a strange weather day. In the morning, it was warm and sunny. By noon, dark clouds covered the sky, and it became stormy. There was thunder and lightning, and it started to rain heavily. In the evening, the weather changed again. The temperature dropped, and it became very cold and foggy. What a crazy weather day. Of course, it is crazy. Okay, so let's answer the couple of questions. First one, what was the weather like in the morning? Yes, it was warm and sunny. Okay, 2, what happened at noon? Yes, the dark clouds just covered the sky and it became stormy. Then how was the weather in the evening? Yes, the temperature dropped and it became very cold and foggy. Okay, thank you, thank you. So let's see on the grammar part. Okay, simply here in the grammar, we have to learn how can we use the adjectives to describe weather. So the rule is very easy. Use adjectives to describe weather. In what way? For example, it's cloudy today. It's a humid day. So here, you have to use it is. We make a contraction as it's plus the adjective. Like it's sunny, it's windy, it's foggy, and so on. Okay? Use there is plus noun. For example, this is a storm. Or there is fog. Yes, there is, then the noun. So either it's adjective or there is noun. Okay, perfect. So let's have our second practice, and simply, as you know, we just need to choose the correct answer. So number 1, it's very windy today. Yes, it is very windy today. Okay, 2, there a lot of snow outside. Yeah, there is. Okay, 3, it's stormy yesterday. Yesterday, you know, it's in the past. So, is or was? Yes, was, thank you. I don't like weather. Adjective, so humid weather, thank you. There, thick fog in the morning. Yes, there was. Okay, the sky very cloudy before the rain started. Yes, the sky was. Well, number 7, there a thunderstorm last night. Yeah, there was. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's see on the speaking part. Okay, so here I need you to make weather report, or to be, you yourself would be a weather reporter. Okay, in what way? So simply you have to choose the city and then you have to describe the weather there. For example, today in London it's cloudy and rainy. The temperature is 10 degrees. Or in Dubai, for example, it's very hot and sunny. The temperature is 35. So imagine that you are a weather reporter. Choose the city and start to report how is the weather there. Okay, yes, use your imagination and the words we learned. Let me ask you, what did you learn today? Okay, that's awesome. And yeah, this marks the end of our session. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next session, inshallah. And don't forget your homework. Bye.